Discover 10 new incredible Amazon kitchen gadgets that will have an impact on how you cook and store food. This video is part 3 of our kitchen gadget series. After watching, be sure to check out part 1 and part 2 in the description below. Magnetic measuring spoons. The spoons includes 8 bisphenol free spoons that stick together with magnets, which saves space and keeps your kitchen drawers tidy. You can clean them in the dishwasher, and they have clear quantity labels making them ideal to measure ingredients, prepare meals, and fit most spice jars. These spoons cost $19 and offer an easy-to-clean, dependable option to measure spices and cook every day. Rapid egg cooker. The egg cooker is a small, user-friendly appliance that cooks up to 7 eggs at once in different ways, like boiled, poached, and omelets, using its trays and measuring cup. It costs $20 and has a precise heat sensor for reliable results. Its parts are safe to clean in the dishwasher. People love it because it makes perfect eggs without much mess, making it great for fast breakfasts and meal planning. Which gadget do you want to try most? Magnetic measuring spoons or rapid egg cooker? Tell us your choice in the comments. Yukopy Fridge View Rotating Organizer. The Yukopy fridge helps you make the most of your fridge space. This spinning shelf turns a full 360 degrees, letting you see and grab all your condiments, sauces, and little jars. It costs $46 and is built to last and clean up quickly. By keeping everything in plain sight, it cuts down on wasted food and saves you time hunting for things. No more losing items at the back of the fridge. Many people give it top marks for being well made and handy. Sousid Smart Cooker. The cooker stands out as a high-end sous vide device. It seals food in vacuum bags and cooks it at exact temperatures. Its strong 1.1 kilowatt heating part helps achieve this. The result? Food that tastes like it's from a top restaurant every time. This cooker works great for prepping meals and cooking healthy food. It keeps flavors locked in and doesn't need much fuss to use or clean. Many cooking experts agree it's spot on and easy to use. You can get one for $350. Now, let's look at a gadget that'll make your kitchen seem like a pro chef's playground. Dreamfarm Supoon. The Supoon serves as a multi-purpose silicone spoon. It has an influence on stirring, serving, and measuring in a single tool. It shows clear 5 milliliters measurement lines and stands upright with its unique handle design to keep surfaces clean. It withstands heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can clean it in the dishwasher. It offers a clean, easy cleanup and accuracy to cook every dish at a cost of $12. Kitchy Pizza Cutter Wheel. The pizza cutter fits in your palm. It has a sharp stainless steel blade and a guard to protect you. You can use it to slice pizzas, flatbreads, and pastries, and it costs about $15. People praise it for its comfortable grip, easy storage, safety in the dishwasher, and consistent performance. What's the weirdest kitchen tool you have? Share in the comments and let's find out who's got the most unique gadget. Microplane Premium Zester. The Zester has razor-sharp stainless steel blades to grate citrus zest, spices, and hard cheeses with great accuracy. It costs between $20 to $25, has a strong, easy-to-clean design, and a comfy non-slip handle, making it a key tool to its strong flavor and zest to your cooking. Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. The sandwich maker whips up eggs, meat, and bread in a single device. This compact appliance creates a hot, custom breakfast sandwich in under 5 minutes. It costs about $37 and has parts you can clean in the dishwasher. Its non-stick surface gets high marks for helping people save time and space. Users find it a handy tool to make quick breakfasts or prepare meals in advance. Next, a gadget that will give your kitchen a pro chef's look. Etekcity Food Scale and Digital Kitchen Scale. The food scale works as a sharp digital kitchen tool that weighs items up to 11 pounds in 1 gram steps. It shows readings on a big lit-up screen that's easy to see. This scale has a modern, slim look made of stainless steel, so it fits well in any kitchen. It helps a lot when you need to measure things for baking or watch how much you eat. You'll save time and cook better with it. The scale can link to an app on your phone to keep track of what you eat. It costs about $18. Rotary Cheese Grater Cheese Shredder. The cheese grater boasts an easy-to-use rotary design and tough swappable stainless steel blades that grate cheese, nuts, chocolate, and veggies without a hitch, making it a key tool for any kitchen. Small and simple to wash, this time saver has a strong build and runs about $20. People love it for its smooth operation and handy storage. We hope you enjoyed learning about these cool kitchen gadgets with us. Hit that like button, drop a comment, share with friends, and join our subscriber family.